Hi, good afternoon everyone. This is a tutorial about how to do an exam bun. These are the few things that you're going to need. Any type of gel, it doesn't matter what type of gel it is, depending on your hair length. If you want it strong or extra strong, you need a brush, you need an elastic for the length and size of your own hair. You need hair pins, these are hair pins, and you need bobby pins, not short ones but nice long ones, and you need a hair net, preferably the same color as your hair but not always obtainable, so a nice fine hair net is exactly what you need. And then finally we're going to put on a nice black scrunchie over the bun to finish off our hairstyle. Right, we're going to start to just brush the hair, preparing it into a nice high ponytail. For your bun to be successful, you need to have it as high as you can possibly get it. So we're just going to keep brushing until we have a nice high ponytail preparation. Right, make sure all the bubbles are out of the ponytail. You don't want any bubbles in the ponytail. Right, I'm going to just take a bit of my gel and I'm going to just start to catch all the little whispers of the hair, keeping your hand firmly over the ponytail. See, some gel in my hand, and I just keep kind of wiping the hair into the ponytail, okay, making sure that there's no bubbles, that it is all nice and smooth, okay, keeping the ponytail also positioned nice and high. Going to then take your elastic, her hair is nice and long and a little bit on the thick side, so I use a nice long elastic, and you're going to stretch the elastic depending on the child's hair, and try and get it around as many times as you can. Alright, and we have the basic start. Everything's nice and neat. You can always touch up at the end, but here we have a nice high ponytail. Alright, just to make sure that everything gets in the net, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do a 3-stranded plait, taking it all the way to the bottom, taking it all the way to the bottom. It just makes it easier and neater to keep all the strands in the hair net. So we're just taking it all the way to the bottom of the hair. Just get to the bottom quickly. Sometimes you land up with a little bit of odd lengths, which is absolutely fine, don't worry about that. Alright, and you're going to wind it nice and tight. Okay, right, and then your excess you want to just pull and tuck in there. Alright, you're going to take some of your bobby pins. Alright, this is where your bobby pins come in, and you're just going to catch the bottom in a number of places. Okay, so you're catching the little whispers that you had left on the ponytail, and you're also securing the hair a little bit onto the elastic by using your bobby pins. Alright, good, and that's where we are at right now. Alright, it should be already becoming quite nice and firm. Angelica, just shake your head, it's already getting nice and firm. Okay, but the very important part comes now. Alright, you're going to take your hairpins. Okay, these are what makes the bun a success. Is you're going to grab the bun. Okay, you're going to grab the bun and you're going to push the hairpin in. Alright, you're going to get a lot of complaints because you're going to be grabbing a bit of head, but it's fine, they have to endure. Alright, you're going to grab the hair. You want to kind of grab it and pull it down and push it in. Alright, I've allocated for Angelica's hair at least 6 of these pins. Okay, you grab a bit of hair and you push it down and you secure the pin. Alright, this is kind of also flattening your bun a little bit. Alright, especially in the front here, make sure you're getting some secure there. And my last one, I grab it and I push. Alright, okay, give the head a shake, Angelica. You can see right now the head is, the bun is really firm. When you do turns or you do jumps, nothing is going to move or twist or anything like that. All right, you're going to take your hairnet, okay, and you pull it over and you kind of stretch it. All right, and you twist it and you pull it over again. Just keep stretching it and pull it over and do it again. All right, what I do now is I just take a bobby pin and I just secure it, although it's not going to go anywhere. It's nice and secure. I just use a bobby pin. Right, before I put on the scrunchie, I just take a little bit more gel on my hands and I just make sure that I haven't disrupted any of the little bits of hair. All right, so that it is nice and secure and neat. Don't forget a good presented hairstyle in the exam room accounts for the quality of the dancer that is going into the exam room. It is imperative that our dancers look like they've been literally pulled through a pin. And then lastly, we just take our scrunchie. I like to use one with a little bit of frill on it that makes it a little bit of pretty, and we place it over the bun, pull it a little bit, and voila, our exam bun is ready for action. You can see the plait in the hairnet, just gives it a nice look, and it's all nice and secure, and you are all ready to go into the exam room and be the best that you can be. Thanks everyone for watching our tutorial. I'm sure you will get it right. It's years of practice, but it's not that difficult. And if our dancers' hair looks beautiful, they feel beautiful and secure, and they go and they be awesome in the exam room. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Like our video when you're done, and thanks very much.